Teresa. I think my presentation of this time is very terrible because I have do well on PPT, but when I stand on the stage, I can't say anything, and I think I'm very nervous about how to say about my PPT. And when I saw every classmate are saying their PPTs, but they don't feel nervous, but I just can't say anything on the stage. So after the PPT, I know what I want to say, but I'm very nervous, so I just can't say it. But I think my PPT this time is better than next time, and I choose the photos. No, I take a picture of the photos, and I just know how to say my PPT, but yes, just really very nervous, and I think I want to learn how to say something on the stage and not be nervous anymore. And maybe next time I can be better and won't be nervous. Thanks.